Question 1. What is the primary difference between a health maintenance organization, HMO, and a preferred provider organization, PPO? HMO allows patients to see any specialist without a referral, while a PO requires a referral for specialist care. An HMO offers a broader network of providers, while a PO offers a more limited network. C. The PO requires a primary care physician (PCP) referral for specialist visits, while an HMO does not. D. HMO typically requires members to choose a primary care physician (PCP), while a PO does not require. Answer: D. An HMO typically requires members to choose a primary care physician (PCP), while a PO does not require. The explanation: health maintenance organizations (HMOs) require members to choose a primary care physician (PCP) who coordinates care and provides referrals to specialists. This is a form of managed care aimed at reducing unnecessary procedures and costs. In contrast, preferred provider organizations (POs) offer greater flexibility by not requiring a referral for specialist care. Members can see any healthcare provider, though costs are lower when staying within the PPO network. The differences in provider access, cost sharing, and administrative structure are fundamental concepts that help define these plan types. Question 2. Mr. Thompson has just been diagnosed with a chronic condition that requires long-term care. Which of the following insurance plans would be the most appropriate for his needs? A. High deductible health per HEHP. B. Health maintenance organization HMO. C. Long-term care insurance. D. Consumer-driven health per E. Answer: C. Long-term care insurance. Explanation: long-term care insurance (LTCI) is specifically designed to cover the costs associated with long-term care, such as nursing home care, in-home care, and rehabilitation services. This type of coverage is essential for individuals diagnosed with chronic conditions who may require extended healthcare services. High-deductible health plan (HSP) are designed to work with health savings accounts (HSAS), but may not offer comprehensive long-term care coverage. Health maintenance organizations (HMOs) and consumer-driven health plans focus more on general health coverage, with HMO plans often requiring primary care coordination and OAPs offering more consumer control over healthcare spending but not specifically tailored for long-term care. Question 3. Which of the following services is considered a mandatory benefit under Massachusetts health insurance laws? A. Cosmetic surgery. B. Acupuncture for pain management. C. Emergency medical transportation. D. Chiropractic services. Answer: C. Emergency medical transportation. Explanation: Massachusetts law mandates certain benefits that must be covered by health insurance plans, including emergency services such as emergency medical transportation. This is required under both state and federal regulations, ensuring that individuals can access life-saving services without facing significant financial barriers. Cosmetic surgery, acupuncture, and chiropractic services are typically subject to plan-specific coverage and are not mandated as essential benefits. Emergency services, however, including ambulance services and urgent care, are part of the essential health benefits required under the Affordable Care Act and reinforced by state-specific legislation in Massachusetts. These requirements ensure that all individuals have access to necessary emergency care without facing high out-of-pocket costs. Question 4. Which of the following is not considered an essential health benefit under the Affordable Care Act for healthcare insurance plans in Massachusetts? A. Maternity and newborn care. B. Preventive and wellness services. C. Cosmetic surgery. D. Mental health and substance use disorder services. Answer: C. Cosmetic surgery. Explanation: under the Affordable Care Act, health insurance plans are required to cover 10 essential health benefits, including maternity and newborn care, preventive services, and mental health and substance use disorder services. Cosmetic surgery, however, is not an essential health benefit unless it is medically necessary, such as in cases of reconstructive surgery following injury or illness. Cosmetic procedures are generally excluded from the essential health benefits unless specifically covered under a plan. Question 5. Which of the following is the primary purpose of a medical loss ratio (MLR) in healthcare insurance? A. To determine the premium rates for policyholders. B. To ensure that health insurance companies spend a certain percentage of premiums on healthcare services for policyholders. C. To establish the reimbursement rates for healthcare providers. D. To monitor the quality of healthcare provided by insurance networks. Answer: B. To ensure that health insurance companies spend a certain percentage of premiums on healthcare services for policyholders. Explanation: the medical loss ratio (MLR) is a key provision under the Affordable Care Act that mandates insurers spend a certain percentage of the premiums they collect on healthcare services and quality improvement activities for their policyholders. The minimum MLR is 80% for individual and small group plans and 85% for large group plans. If insurers do not meet the required MLR, they must pay rebates to policyholders. This ensures that insurance companies prioritize healthcare services and not administrative costs or profits. Question 6. Mr. Davis is seeking to enroll in a Massachusetts Health Connector plan during the middle of the year. Which of the following would allow him to qualify for special enrollment period? Except A. He missed the open enrollment period and now wants to enroll. B. He is moving to a different state. C. He wants to change his plan due to dissatisfaction with coverage. D. He forgot to apply for health insurance during the open enrollment period. Answer: B. He is moving to a different state. Explanation: special enrollment periods (SEPs) are provided outside of the standard open enrollment period for individuals who experience qualifying life events, such as moving to a different state, getting married, or losing other health coverage. Moving to a different state is one of the qualifying events that triggers an SEP, allowing Mr. Davis to apply for a new plan in the Massachusetts Health Connector. The other options do not qualify for an SEP, as dissatisfaction or missed deadlines do not trigger the need for a special enrollment period. Question 7. Which of the following statements about Medicaid Mass Health in Massachusetts is true? A. Medicaid is only available for individuals over the age of 65 in Massachusetts. B. Medicaid coverage in Massachusetts is income-based and available to individuals and families who meet eligibility criteria. C. Medicaid does not cover pregnant women and children in Massachusetts. D. Medicaid eligibility in Massachusetts is solely determined by assets, not income. Answer: B. Medicaid coverage in Massachusetts is income-based and available to individuals and families who meet eligibility criteria. Explanation: MassHealth Massachusetts Medicaid program is income-based and eligibility is determined by factors such as income, family size, and other criteria including age and disability. The program provides coverage for individuals and families who meet the state's income guidelines. This includes pregnant women, children, and individuals with disabilities. The program is designed to ensure access to necessary health services for low-income residents. Option A is incorrect because Medicaid is not limited to individuals over 65, and option D is incorrect as both income and assets are considered in the eligibility determination. Question 8. Which of the following is a key characteristic of a high-deductible health per AHP in Massachusetts? A. It typically has low premiums and high deductibles, and it is often paired with a health savings account, HSA. B. It provides comprehensive coverage with low out-of-pocket costs for all services. C. It only covers preventive care services, excluding other healthcare services. D. It requires a referral for all specialist visits. Answer A. It typically has low premiums and high deductibles, and it is often paired with a health savings account, HSA. Explanation: high deductible health per share are characterized by lower monthly premiums and higher deductibles compared to other types of health insurance plans. These plans are often paired with health savings accounts, HSAs, to allow individuals to save money tax-free for future healthcare expenses. A desired HSA encourages members to take more responsibility for their healthcare spending. The other options do not accurately describe HSAs. They do not have low out-of-pocket costs for all services and do not limit coverage solely to preventive care. Question 9. A health insurance plan must comply with the Mental Health Parity and Addiction Equity Act (MHPA) by A. Ensuring that coverage for mental health and substance use disorders is equal to coverage for medical and surgical benefits in terms of financial requirements. B. Offering the same benefits for mental health conditions as it does for cosmetic surgery. C. Excluding coverage for addiction treatment as it is considered an elective service. D. Limiting the number of therapy sessions for mental health disorders to 5 per year. Answer A. Ensuring that coverage for mental health and substance use disorders is equal to coverage for medical and surgical benefits in terms of financial requirements. Explanation: the Mental Health Parity and Addiction Equity Act (MHPA) requires health insurance plans to provide mental health and substance use disorder benefits that are equal in scope, duration, and financial requirements, e.g., copayments, deductibles, to those for medical and surgical benefits. This ensures that individuals receive equitable treatment for mental health and substance use conditions. The other options either misinterpret the Act or include incorrect coverage limitations. Question 10. Which of the following coverage situations is permissible under the Massachusetts Health Connector? A. Individuals who are eligible for Medicaid must always enroll through the Health Connector. B. An individual who is offered employer-sponsored insurance can only apply for a plan through the Health Connector if the employer's coverage is unaffordable or does not meet the required minimum value. C. Individuals cannot apply for Health Connector plans if they already have employer-sponsored insurance. D. Only those with low incomes are allowed to purchase plans through the Health Connector. Answer: B. An individual who is offered employer-sponsored insurance can only apply for a plan through the Health Connector if the employer's coverage is unaffordable or does not meet the required minimum value. Explanation: in Massachusetts, the Health Connector allows individuals who are offered employer-sponsored insurance to apply for plans only if the employer's coverage is deemed unaffordable, i.e., the premium exceeds certain percentage of the individual's income or does not meet the required minimum value. If the employer's plan is affordable and meets the minimum value, individuals are typically required to enroll in that plan. Options A, C, and D are inaccurate as they do not reflect the eligibility and enrollment guidelines accurately under the Massachusetts Health Connector. Question 11. Under Massachusetts law, which of the following is a requirement for small group health insurance plans? A. They must cover only preventive care. B. They must include coverage for all essential health benefits as defined by the Affordable Care Act. C. They must only cover mental health services. D. They must offer the lowest deductible plans available. Answer: B. They must include coverage for all essential health benefits as defined by the Affordable Care Act. Explanation: small group health insurance plans in Massachusetts, like other plans in the state, must cover all essential health benefits aids as required by the ACAP. And these benefits include a wide range of services such as emergency services and maternity care, prescription drugs, mental health, and more. The other options are incorrect because they do not encompass the full scope of required coverage for small group plans. Question 12. Which of the following would not qualify for coverage under Massachusetts Health Safety Net (HSN) program? A. An individual who is uninsured and meets income eligibility requirements. B. Resident who is enrolled in the Massachusetts Medicaid program. C. Low-income resident who is temporarily ineligible for Medicaid. D. Resident who has access to employer-sponsored insurance. Answer: D. A resident who has access to employer-sponsored insurance. Explanation: the Health Safety Net (HSN) program provides coverage for Massachusetts residents who are uninsured and meet income eligibility criteria, as well as individuals who may be temporarily ineligible for Medicaid. However, residents who have access to employer-sponsored insurance are not eligible for coverage under the HSN program, as they are expected to utilize their employer's health insurance offerings instead. Question 13. Which of the following is true about Medicaid expansion under the Affordable Care Act in Massachusetts? A. Medicaid expansion in Massachusetts applies to all individuals, regardless of income. B. Medicaid expansion in Massachusetts only applies to individuals with children. C. Medicaid expansion in Massachusetts allows adults under 138% of the federal poverty level to qualify for coverage. D. Medicaid expansion is not available to low-income adults in Massachusetts. Answer: C. Medicaid expansion in Massachusetts allows adults under 138% of the federal poverty level to qualify for coverage. Explanation: under the account, Massachusetts expanded Medicaid (MassHealth) to cover low-income adults who earn up to 138% of the federal poverty level. This expansion is designed to increase access to healthcare coverage for a larger portion of the population. Options A, B, and D are incorrect because Medicaid expansion specifically targets low-income adults and not all individuals, nor is it limited to individuals with children. Question 14. In Massachusetts, which of the following statements about health savings accounts (HSAS) is correct? A. HSAS are only available to individuals over the age of 65. B. HSAS are only available for those enrolled in high-deductible health purchases. The HHSAS are only available for individuals enrolled in employer-sponsored insurance plans. D. HSAS allow individuals to use pre-tax dollars for any type of health-related expenses. Answer: B. HSAS are only available for those enrolled in high-deductible health plan insurance. Explanation: Health savings accounts (HSAS) are available to individuals who are enrolled in high-deductible health plans. They allow individuals to set aside pre-tax dollars to pay for eligible medical expenses. The other options are incorrect because HSAS are not restricted to those over 65, employer-sponsored plans, or any type of health-related expense. They are specifically itashi. Question 15. Which of the following health plans in Massachusetts allows a patient to see a specialist without a referral? A. Health Maintenance Organization, HMO. B. Preferred Provider Organization, PPO. C. Point of Service, POS. D. Exclusive Provider Organization, EPO. Answer: B. Preferred Provider Organization, PPO. Explanation: in a preferred provider organization (PPO) plan, patients are allowed to see specialists and out-of-network providers without requiring a referral. This offers more flexibility compared to health maintenance organization (HMO) plans, which generally require a referral from a primary care provider to see a specialist. POS and EPO plans may also allow some flexibility, but PPO plans are known for this specific benefit. Question 16. Which of the following is a required benefit for individual health plans in Massachusetts? A. Coverage for adult dental care. B. Coverage for fertility treatments. C. Coverage for mental health and substance use disorder services. D. Coverage for elective surgeries. Answer: C. Coverage for mental health and substance use disorder services. Explanation: under Massachusetts law, individual health insurance plans are required to cover mental health and substance use disorder services as part of the essential health benefits. The other options, such as elective surgeries and adult dental care, are not mandatory benefits under state law unless specified in a particular plan. Question 17. If an individual loses their job in employer-sponsored health insurance, how long can they continue their health coverage under the Consolidated Omnibus Budget Reconciliation Act (COBRA) in Massachusetts? A. 12 months. B. 18 months. C. 24 months. D. 36 months. Answer: B. 18 months. Explanation: under the Consolidated Omnibus Budget Reconciliation Act (COBRA), an individual who loses their job can continue their employer-sponsored health insurance for up to 18 months as long as they meet the necessary criteria. The coverage may be extended in certain cases, such as for disability, but 18 months is the typical duration. Question 18. Which of the following is an important characteristic of Massachusetts ConnectOrCare program? A. It offers low-income individuals access to Medicaid only. B. It is an insurance plan for employers with over 100 employees. C. It helps low and moderate-income individuals purchase health insurance through the Health Connector. D. It only provides coverage for emergency services. Answer: C. It helps low and moderate-income individuals purchase health insurance through the Health Connector. Explanation: ConnectOrCare is a program in Massachusetts that helps low and moderate-income individuals access health insurance through the Health Connector. It offers subsidized premiums and cost-sharing reductions for eligible individuals. The program is not exclusive to Medicaid recipients or employers with large employee bases, nor is it limited to emergency services. Question 19. Which of the following is true about Massachusetts individual health insurance mandate? A. Individuals in Massachusetts are required to have health insurance or pay penalty. B. Only residents above the age of 65 are required to have health insurance. C. Massachusetts residents can opt out of the health insurance mandate if they are insured through Medicare. D. Massachusetts mandate applies only to individuals who do not have access to employer-sponsored insurance. Answer: A. Individuals in Massachusetts are required to have health insurance or pay a penalty. Explanation: Massachusetts has an individual health insurance mandate that requires most residents to have health insurance or pay a penalty when filing their taxes. This mandate applies to all residents, including those who do not have access to employer-sponsored insurance. There are some exceptions for specific situations, such as those enrolled in Medicare, but the general rule is that health insurance coverage is required. Question 20. Which of the following is a key feature of the Massachusetts Health Connector? A. It is the state's Medicaid program for low-income individuals. B. It is a marketplace where individuals and small businesses can purchase health insurance plans. C. It only offers health insurance to federal employees. D. It is a federal program that operates exclusively in Massachusetts. Answer: B. It is a marketplace where individuals and small businesses can purchase health insurance plans. Explanation: The Massachusetts Health Connector is the state's health insurance marketplace where individuals and small businesses can shop for and purchase health insurance plans. It provides access to both subsidized plans for lower-income residents and unsubsidized plans for those with higher incomes. It is not a Medicaid program that is MassHealth and operates only within the state of Massachusetts. Question 21. Which of the following statements is true regarding the Massachusetts Medicaid program MassHealth? A. MassHealth is only available to residents under the age of 18. B. MassHealth covers both children and adults with no income limits. C. MassHealth is a state-run program that provides health coverage for low-income residents, including children, families, and adults. D. MassHealth only covers emergency medical services for low-income individuals. Answer. C. MassHealth is a state-run program that provides health coverage for low-income residents, including children, families, and adults. Explanation. MassHealth is the Medicaid program in Massachusetts and provides health coverage to low-income residents of all ages. It covers a wide range of health services, including emergency care, preventative services, and long-term care for individuals and families who meet income eligibility requirements. Question 22. Which of the following is not considered an essential health benefit under the Affordable Care Act account for Massachusetts health insurance plans? A. Prescription drugs. B. Pediatric services, including oral and vision care. C. Cosmetic surgery. D. Preventive and wellness services. Answer. C. Cosmetic surgery. Explanation. Essential health benefits under the ACAM must cover a variety of services, including prescription drugs, pediatric services, and preventive services. Cosmetic surgery is not considered an essential health benefit unless it is medically necessary or related to reconstructive surgery after an injury or disease. Question 23. Which of the following is the primary purpose of the Massachusetts Health Connector? A. To provide Medicaid insurance to low-income residents. B. To offer a platform for purchasing health insurance for individuals and small businesses. C. To administer government subsidies only to individuals under the age of 30. D. To offer only catastrophic health plans for young adults. Answer. B. To offer a platform for purchasing health insurance for individuals and small businesses. Explanation. The Massachusetts Health Connector is a marketplace where individuals and small businesses can purchase health insurance plans. It also offers subsidies to lower-income residents to help reduce the cost of coverage. The Health Connector is not limited to Medicaid or only young adults, and it offers a range of plans, not just catastrophic coverage. Question 24. How long does an individual in Massachusetts have to apply for a special enrollment period set after losing health coverage due to job loss? A. 60 days. B. 45 days. C. 30 days. D. 90 days. Answer A. 60 days. Explanation. After losing job-based health coverage, Massachusetts residents have a special enrollment period (SEP) of 60 days to apply for new coverage through the Health Connector or another source. This allows individuals to maintain health insurance without a gap in coverage after losing their employer-sponsored plan. Question 25. Which of the following is true about the Massachusetts Premium Assistance Program for low-income residents? A. The program only assists people who are self-employed. B. The program helps eligible residents pay for premiums on health insurance purchased through the Health Connector. C. The program requires individuals to have no other health insurance options. D. The program only provides assistance to those who are enrolled in Medicaid. Answer. B. The program helps eligible residents pay for premiums on health insurance purchased through the Health Connector. Explanation. Massachusetts offers premium assistance to low-income individuals to help them afford the cost of health insurance through the Health Connector. This program provides subsidies based on income, allowing eligible individuals to reduce their monthly premium costs for plans purchased through the state's health insurance marketplace. Question 26. Which of the following is true about the Massachusetts individual mandate? A. Residents who do not purchase health insurance will not face any penalties. B. The mandate requires individuals to maintain health insurance or pay a penalty when filing their state taxes. C. The mandate applies only to individuals who are 65 or older. D. The mandate only applies to individuals who qualify for Medicaid. Answer. B. The mandate requires individuals to maintain health insurance or pay a penalty when filing their state taxes. Explanation. The Massachusetts individual mandate requires most residents to have health insurance that meets minimum coverage standards or face a penalty when filing their state taxes. This mandate has been in effect since 2006 and is one of the earliest state-level health insurance mandates. Question 27. What is the primary purpose of the Health Safety Net (HSN) in Massachusetts? A. To provide health insurance for all residents of Massachusetts. B. To provide health coverage for individuals who are temporarily uninsured and meet income requirements. C. To offer free health care to all low-income residents. D. To provide health coverage only for people with disabilities. Answer. B. To provide health coverage for individuals who are temporarily uninsured and meet income requirements. Explanation. The Health Safety Net (HSN) program in Massachusetts offers health coverage to uninsured residents who meet income eligibility requirements. It is designed to help people who are temporarily without health insurance access necessary medical care until they obtain permanent coverage. Question 20. Which of the following best describes the Massachusetts ConnectOrCare program? A. A Medicaid program for individuals who are unemployed. B. A health insurance program offering subsidized premiums for individuals with incomes between 100% and 300% of the federal poverty level. C. A program for seniors only. D. A program that only offers catastrophic health insurance plans. Answer. B. A health insurance program offering subsidized premiums for individuals with incomes between 100% and 300% of the federal poverty level. Explanation. ConnectOrCare is a program for Massachusetts residents with incomes between 100% and 300% of the federal poverty level. It provides subsidized premiums and cost-sharing reductions to help lower-income individuals afford comprehensive health insurance coverage through the Massachusetts Health Connector. Question 29. Which of the following is a key feature of Massachusetts Commonwealth Care Health Insurance Program? A. It provides only emergency medical services to low-income residents. B. It provides low-cost health insurance coverage to individuals with income below 300% of the federal poverty level. C. It covers all health services for residents above the age of 65. D. It is only available to individuals who are unemployed. Correct answer. B. It provides low-cost health insurance coverage to individuals with income below 300% of the federal poverty level. Explanation. The Commonwealth Care Health Insurance Program in Massachusetts was designed to provide affordable health insurance coverage for individuals with incomes below 300% of the federal poverty level. The program covers a wide range of health services and is intended to make healthcare accessible to a larger portion of the population. Question 30. In Massachusetts, which of the following would be considered a qualified health plan (QHP) under the Affordable Care Act? A. A health insurance plan that does not meet the ACA's essential health benefits. B. Health insurance plan that only offers emergency services. C. Health insurance plan that provides the ACA's essential health benefits and meets the required standards. D. Health insurance plan that only covers hospitalization services. Answer. C. A health insurance plan that provides the ACA's essential health benefits and meets the required standards. Explanation. Qualified health plan (QHP) under the Affordable Care Act (ACA) must provide all essential health benefits, meet the minimum coverage standards, and be certified by the Massachusetts Health Connector or Federal Marketplace. These plans offer comprehensive coverage, including preventive services, mental health care, prescription drugs, and emergency care.